Welcome to CCU and thanks for joining me today as we explore the CCU Online Library and how we can help you during your program. There are a few things I want to show you, and we are starting here on our library's homepage. You can find this by going to ccu.edu/library. From here, you can access all of our resources, such as our physical and electronic book collection, articles, and ways to contact the librarians. From this homepage, we offer two basic search boxes, so you can search something like evidence-based practice nursing, and you're searching all the books in our collection. That's both physical books and ebooks. So for evidence-based practice nursing, we have 6 print books and 600 ebooks. You can also do a general information search using the articles field from the library homepage, and this is going to search all of the databases that we subscribe to. So again, you can search evidence-based practice nursing. You have to log in here, and you'll log in using your CCU ID number, not your username. You can see that we have over 18,000 results for this search, and that's a huge number. Thankfully, each database offers many ways to refine, limit, and focus your search, and we have tutorials on how to do that on the library's website. So going back to the homepage, we have this How-To tab, and it includes our tutorials and frequently asked questions, FAQs. We have a lot of great resources here, and not just about how to search our databases, but also including writing tips about how to formulate your research paper and how to conduct that research. We also have help with technology troubleshooting, how to clear your cookies, among many other topics. Also on the homepage, there is a pathway to one of our most helpful tools that gets you to subject-specific academic information, our research guides, and especially our medicine and nursing guide. The librarians have put together pages for various topics to help guide our students through the library's diverse resources. We have one specific to nursing, but you can see our other subject area topics here as well. The Medicine and Nursing Guide gives you a springboard to start your research in a more directed and fruitful way. The guide's landing page is a list of databases which are best for medicine and nursing. We also have a list of books we recommend, and these are all ebooks since you will all be accessing these resources remotely. So this guide is a great starting place and something I highly recommend, especially if you find yourself overwhelmed as you start this program or a specific project you are working on. The articles portion of the Medicine and Nursing Guide is the default, and it leads you toward many helpful databases for medicine and nursing, as you can see. Possibly one of the most familiar places to search for nursing articles is in an EBSCOhost space called CCULibrary. The N in CCULibrary stands for nursing. Using the advanced search and the CCULibrary headings, a searcher can quickly piece together a focused, combined search in areas such as telehealth, hemoglobin levels, and diabetic patients. This is what a search like this would look like. I want to close this video by again saying that the library has many resources and tutorials for you to use. And one of your best resources will be the librarians through live chat and book a librarian appointments. Let me explain first about the Book a Librarian appointment link. From here, you can schedule a one-on-one meeting with a librarian for research help, and we'll meet with you over Zoom so you can see our screen as we discuss your topic with you. Navigate to the best resource starters and search tips and strategies. We also leave you with a follow-up email with links to these searches and sources as a springboard for your research. Just fill in the information here to schedule the appointment. Another helpful and quick way to reach us is through our chat button. From here, you can initiate a live chat with a librarian during our business hours. If no one is available, your question will be sent to our email account, and we check that email every day, including weekends. The library is here to help you succeed in your program. So please reach out to us if you have any questions, or make a Book a Librarian appointment if you have specific research needs. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.